want to show you the true cost of running your own no-code AI agency startup, and I want to talk to you about the number in detail. A lot of gurus will try to sell you this 10K dream, but they never actually go through the operational cost and the expense and the risk itself. I'm going to spend this entire video explaining the entire thing, so hopefully that's helped. If you don't know me yet, my name is Viko Kang. We've been doing this for years, starting off by helping real estate agents get more leads by installing AIs and Facebook ads into their business, and we help hundreds and hundreds of agency owners start up their own no-code AI agency just like us to actually achieve financial freedom. So make sure you check the link in the description. So to understand the true cost of running a no-code AI agency startup, you need to know there's two costs involved. Number one is what we call an operational cost. This is going to be a fixed cost. It's going to be the same every month. This is what we refer to a platform fee that allows you to actually resell the software, such as GoHighlevel fee, which is about $297 to $497. After that, we have an AI agent reselling platform fee, and the one that we're using right now is EchoSetter. Again, link in the description. And on top of that, we have other software fees such as Zapier, Zooms, and Twilios and all that stuff. Those are a few $100 a month, no big deal, right? Now, the other cost that you have to consider is what we call a client acquisition cost. Now, every business have to pay this. Now, if you're just starting out with no audience, no follower, no referral, and all that stuff, like from scratch, from ground zero, you're gonna need to pay this, right? Now, a client acquisition cost really depending on what market you go after, what country you're in, and your ability to sell. For example, if you pay Facebook $10 to get one lead and it requires you to get 10 leads to close one deal, that will cost you $100 to require one client. So technically you pay $100 to require one client, and that is your acquisition cost. Okay, so again guys, that really depending on a lot of things such as your sales ability, your market rate. The cost to actually acquire a doctor client is a lot more expensive than a real estate client, for example. So that is the two costs that you need to consider when starting up a no-code AI agency, right? Necessary. And in the next section of this video, I want to break down the exact cost month by month so that you get an exact expectation on what the number is going to look like in the next 6 months. Let's run through the number, because number do not lie when it comes to operating this business model. We're gonna start off with our first month here. So when it comes to cost, we're talking about platform costs, ad costs, or calling costs. On the first month, you're gonna pay $0 to this platform because they're gonna give us a 30-day free trial through our strategic partnership with them to you guys. Okay, like this $400 and $500 is really come to investing into ads and calling and texting people to get client into your door. Now you can go a step further into reducing this cost to $0 by actually email people and use your personal phone. But we don't recommend that because it will take you longer than 30 days to get a client. So in our module and our course, we actually recommend that you start a $10 to $15 per day ad campaign to attract clients so that you can make your money back as soon as possible. Now, when it comes to charging people, there's a range, right? Remember I said anywhere between 2 to 6K one-time setup fee and $97 to $497 of monthly recurring, right? So we're gonna do a calculation based on the two scenario, which is the low end and the high end. So the low end here is where you charge one client $2,000 to set up and $97 per month to maintain the system. So in total, you will get $2,097, right, on your first month if you land one client. And on the high end, let's say you come in with backgrounds of sales experience or software experience, you will be able to charge people quite high, 6K plus $497 of recurring revenue to maintain the system. So with one client on the first month, you will end up with $6,497. Right? So based on this calculation, your first client should be able to cover all of your expense plus a little bit of profit. So on the second month, this is where you actually start to see the trend because the platform will be charging you fees, right? So $297 for high level and $297 for EchoSetter. So your expense would be ranging between $1,000 to $1,100, right? And on the low end, again, you will be making two clients, okay? And this is just assuming that you guys onboarding one client per month, which is very, very conservative estimate, okay? On the second month with two clients, you will make 4K plus $194 of recurring monthly revenue, a total of $4,194. Okay, on the high end with 2 clients, that's $12,000 with $994 worth of monthly recurring revenue. So that's $1K of recurring revenue coming back every month. So in total, on month 2, we're finishing up at $12,994. So nearly $13,000. With all this, we're just really stacking new wins, and expense of 1K is literally nothing anymore. Okay, now on the 3rd month is where you can see the trends, because the expense does not go up. The platform fee will still stay consistent. The phone calls and bill is very minimal, and you're landing 3 clients at this stage. Even on the low end side, you'll be making 6K of cash collected and 291 monthly recurring income. So in total, that's $6,291,000. And on the high end, we're landing 3 clients the same, but we're collecting $18,000 and 1,491 worth of monthly recurring revenue. So in total, that's 19,491, nearly 20 grand, right? This is where the revenue stacking is starting to snowball. Okay, so we're skipping forward here to month 6, right? So the expense here is still stay frankly quite the same. Okay, now obviously there should be more caveat here. At this stage, you should be hiring staff, VA, client success, and paying more for your ad spend to recruit more clients, but the basic is still there, which is around $1,000, which is the platform fee, the phone bills, and all the SMS fee and all that stuff. Okay, at month 6, at 1 client per month, you should hit 6 clients. Okay, so even on the low end, you will hit 12K of cash collected plus 582 of monthly recurring revenue, right? This is where you actually pass 10K of cash collected. Okay, so in total, you will collect 12,582. Okay, and on the high end, 6 clients still the same, 36K of cash collected plus 2,982 of monthly recurring revenue each month. Right? In total, you will collect 38,982. Okay, so you nearly make 40K from just 6 months doing this business if you just onboarding 1 client every month. Right? Very, very conservative estimate here, guys. So this is where you're starting to see the recurring engines starting to stack in your favor. So hopefully you find this lesson helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and see you in the next module so we can help you set this up as soon as possible and land your first client using no-code AI agents. See you soon.